Hey guys, it's Idra here from Seemu Apps. In this tutorial, we're going to throw away those cables and get into wireless debugging. Okay, so I've created a new single view Xcode application here. So to enable wireless debugging, connect your device up to your computer, go to Window, Devices and Simulators. You'll see your iPhone here, and all you need to do is simply check Connect via Network. And that way you can connect to the device wirelessly over the network. So the reason that this is really good is if your iPhone has some USB port issues, like mine previously did, or your computer has USB port issues, you can simply debug over the network and it will install applications over the network, do your console debugs over the network and so on. And it's super helpful if you're testing on various devices. You don't have to constantly unplug them, plug them back in, and wear out that cable, because we all know how durable the lightning cables are. Okay, so we can see now my USB cable for my iPhone is unplugged. In Xcode, you see this little globe icon here, which indicates that your phone is connected via the network. So now if we close that down, click Run on our application, we're going to see it install and launch on our device here. So you will notice that I have a lot of mails. So if you're one of those OCD people that doesn't like numbers on a mail app, well, I've got bad news for you. So we can see here, it's jumped to our application, which is installing. So we'll just give it a moment to install, which it looks like it's done. And it opens up our app. And now, if we had console log statements, we could see it in the console here. As we can see, some of the default ones actually come up. So it's super convenient, especially if you have a dodgy iPhone port, dodgy USB port, or you simply want to reduce the wear and tear on your lightning cables.